Come today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. As can you see here, we got the sound mode, and just to enable sound mode on our device you should tap here once on this just this switcher, and just to turn off the silent mode tap here to the sounds mode, and by this way you can disable your silent mode. Also you can do it by the second way. Just should go to the bottom section here and just swipe this blue dot to the left side, and by this way you can also enable the silent mode on your device. And just to turn it off, you just swipe this blue dot to the right side with a finger again. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.